Valentine's Day is a celebration of love, affection, and connection. It's a day where we express how much we care for those around us, whether it's a significant other, friends, or family. One of the best ways to elevate this feeling of warmth and togetherness is by transforming your dining space with a thoughtfully designed table setting. Whether you're hosting an intimate dinner, a Galentine's gathering, or a family-friendly celebration, your table decor can make a lasting impression. A beautifully decorated table is not just about looks, it's about creating an atmosphere that feels cozy, romantic, and welcoming. In this guide, we'll take a deep dive into various Valentine's Day table decoration ideas, focusing on everything from centerpieces to place settings, to help you create a setting that reflects the true spirit of love and affection. The centerpiece is arguably the most important feature of any table setting, especially for a Valentine's Day dinner. It acts as the focal point of the table, drawing attention and tying the overall look of the table together. For a romantic setting, think of centerpieces that create a warm, inviting, and intimate atmosphere. Flowers are a classic choice for Valentine's Day. Red roses, being the quintessential symbol of love, are a natural option. You can mix them with white lilies or pink peonies for variety, adding layers of color and texture. A single large bouquet of roses in a chic vase can make a bold statement, or you can create a more whimsical look with multiple smaller arrangements scattered across the table. If you want to get creative, try using alternative vessels such as mason jars, vintage glass bottles, or even teacups, which add charm and a touch of personality. Candles are another essential romantic touch. Floating candles in a glass bowl surrounded by rose petals create an elegant, ethereal ambience, while tall, slim candle holders with lit candles add height and drama. Combine tall candles with shorter ones, or use a variety of shapes and sizes to create visual interest. To add even more romance, opt for scented candles with soft floral or vanilla notes that fill the air with warmth and sweetness. For a rustic touch, consider using wooden candle holders or placing candles in lanterns. For a unique twist, create a heart-shaped centerpiece using candles or small string lights. You can arrange LED lights in the shape of a heart on the table and place clear glass vases filled with flowers around it. This will create a warm glow, adding a personal and romantic flair to your table. You can even use personalized items, such as framed love notes or quotes, alongside the flowers and candles for a deeply sentimental touch. If these Valentine's Day table decoration ideas added a special touch to your celebration plans, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who loves setting the perfect table for the occasion. Table linens are not just functional, they play a significant role in setting the mood and tone for your celebration. The texture, color, and patterns you choose will influence the overall feel of your Valentine's Day dinner. Start with a tablecloth or a table runner that matches the theme. If you're going for a traditional, romantic look, a rich red, burgundy, or deep pink tablecloth will immediately set the mood for the evening. If you want to add a touch of elegance, go for a white or cream cloth, then layer it with a lace or satin table runner for a delicate and luxurious finish. Lace and linen, when combined, add a soft, romantic touch and create an inviting atmosphere. Napkins are another important aspect of your table setting. Cloth napkins, folded into shapes like hearts or tied with satin or velvet ribbons, offer a charming and refined touch. You can even create little heart-shaped napkin folds or use napkin rings in the shape of love symbols or flowers. A small touch like this can make your guests feel special and appreciated. When selecting your napkins, consider using rich, soft fabrics like linen or cotton to give the setting a refined and luxurious appearance. For the place settings, you want to create an experience that is both functional and beautiful. Opt for plates that complement your chosen color scheme. Red, white, and pink are the obvious color choices, but you can also mix in gold, silver, or even marble to add sophistication. Pair the plates with matching chargers to give a polished look to the table. If you're hosting a more casual or fun gathering, you could even use Valentine-themed plates with hearts or romantic messages. For an elegant touch, opt for dinnerware that has a delicate gold or silver rim, which adds a hint of glamour. Glassware should match the romantic atmosphere of your setting. Use crystal glasses for a luxurious feel or soft pink or red glasses for a whimsical, fun vibe. Don't forget to include champagne flutes or wine glasses for the perfect drink to accompany your meal. You can also personalize the glassware by adding small details like personalized tags or ribbons tied around the stems to give a more personal touch to each guest. How are you styling your Valentine's Day table this year? Share your ideas in the comments. I'd love to hear how you're creating a romantic or fun atmosphere for your celebration. Creating the perfect Valentine's Day table is all about the details. While flowers, candles, and linens are the main elements, decorative touches can really elevate your table and reflect the unique personalities of your guests or loved ones. For a playful touch, scatter love-themed confetti across the table. Choose heart-shaped confetti in shades of red, pink, or even metallic gold for a touch of sparkle. This small detail will add whimsy and a celebratory feel to the space. Alternatively, you can use small chocolate hearts, wrapped candies, or even tiny love notes around each place setting to add a sweet, thoughtful gesture for each guest. It's a nice personal touch that can make your guests feel appreciated. If you're looking for a more rustic or natural vibe, try incorporating wooden accents. You can use wooden heart-shaped coasters, a wooden tray for the centerpiece, or even wooden utensils for a unique twist. Adding elements like burlap or twine can add texture and warmth, giving your Valentine's Day table a more homey, rustic charm. For a more elegant and refined look, consider metallic accents like gold cutlery, or place silver votive candle holders throughout the table for an added layer of sophistication. To make the table even more personal, you could add custom place cards with each guest's name written in elegant calligraphy. These can be designed on small cards or mini chalkboards, or even on small heart-shaped tags tied to each guest's napkin. Another unique idea is to write small love messages on the place cards, sharing a special memory or sentiment with each guest. These little touches ensure that your table is filled with warmth, love, and thoughtfulness. For more holiday and seasonal table setting ideas, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more creative inspiration. Lighting is the key to setting the perfect mood. On Valentine's Day, the goal is to create an atmosphere of intimacy and warmth, and lighting plays a huge role in this. One of the easiest ways to create a romantic atmosphere is with the soft glow of candles. Tall pillar candles can be placed around the table for height, while smaller votive candles add a soft, intimate light. Arrange them in a symmetrical fashion for a balanced look, or place them randomly for a more relaxed, casual vibe. Candle holders can vary from sleek metallic designs to more rustic wooden pieces or glass lanterns, depending on the style of your table. In addition to candles, fairy lights or string lights can add a whimsical, soft glow to your table. These lights can be wound around the centerpiece, draped along the table's edge, or hung above the table for a romantic, starry ambience. You can even incorporate heart-shaped string lights for a fun, thematic touch. For more dramatic lighting, use chandeliers or pendant lights above the dining area. Dimming the main lights in the room will create a cozy, intimate space, allowing your table and its decorations to shine. The lighting should feel soft and romantic, not too harsh or bright, so consider using bulbs that emit a warm glow, such as amber or soft white lighting, which adds warmth to the overall setting. Looking for more ideas to set the mood for your special occasions? Check out our playlist with festive table decor ideas for every season. Creating the perfect Valentine's Day table setting is an art that combines beauty, personal touches, and thoughtfulness. From the romantic centerpieces to the soft glow of candles, every detail adds to the warm, inviting atmosphere of love and affection. Your table is not just a place to enjoy a meal, it's a space to celebrate the people you care about and the special moments you share. Whether you're going for an elegant look with metallic accents, a playful approach with heart-shaped decor, or a cozy vibe with rustic elements, your table can reflect your personal style and set the mood for an unforgettable experience. Remember, it's not just about what you see, but how it makes you feel. A beautifully decorated table creates an ambience of togetherness and love, turning an ordinary evening into something magical. It's the little details that make the biggest impact, personalized place settings, meaningful candles, and thoughtful touches that speak to the heart. So, as you start planning your Valentine's Day celebration, keep in mind that the best decoration comes from a place of love and creativity. In the end, your table is a reflection of the love you have for your guests, and it's these moments that truly make memories. No matter how you choose to decorate, the most important thing is that the atmosphere is warm, welcoming, and full of joy. So, take your time, enjoy the process, and let the spirit of love guide you as you set the stage for a beautiful Valentine's Day celebration. Whether you're celebrating with a partner, friends, or family, creating a special table setting for Valentine's Day can transform any gathering into a memorable occasion. The beauty of Valentine's Day decor is that it doesn't need to be extravagant to have a significant impact. Sometimes, the simplest touches, like handwritten notes or a carefully selected color scheme, can speak volumes about your thoughtfulness and attention to detail. Take the time to curate a space that makes everyone feel appreciated. Consider adding a few personal elements, such as framed photographs of cherished memories or customized decorations that hold sentimental value. This adds depth and meaning to the atmosphere, making your guests feel truly seen and valued. Don't forget to include some playful elements too, whether it's a heart-shaped centerpiece or small conversation starters scattered around the table. A little bit of humor or whimsy can go a long way in lightening the mood and creating a fun, relaxed vibe. Above all, Valentine's Day is about connection, love, and making memories with the people who mean the most to you. Your table setting will serve as a backdrop for laughter, conversation, and celebration.